Okay, these are my Turnigy TX settings. Mode I've always set up as Quad X. I picked Heli and Heli 1. And it's PPM. And the stick set is Mode 2. Now come across to General Settings. Reverse. I've reversed the pit and I use that switch for switching between fail-safe, attitude and manual mode. Throttle curve has remained untouched. Pitch curve I've altered, so 45 degrees is attitude, middle section 85 is manual, and the lower section 25 which brings the light into fail-safe mode. Go back up. Sub trim all set at 0. The endpoints all at 100%. Throttle hold is inhibited. Auxiliary channels, I set up channel 7 as the pit trim and channel 8 as the hover pit. That's not used in heli mode. I've turned that off. Trim, very slight trim on an elevator to get the the green lights to light in the Naza assistant. Revo, don't know what that is, so I haven't touched it. Normal. Failsafe is not set up. The next page. Inhibited, hover throttle. Hover pit, again inhibited. Trainer not applicable. Display shows that everything's working as it should be. Put down there. Timer generally set to 10 minutes. No particular reason why. Gyro sensors inhibited. Again, that's inhibited, and no program mixing, all inhibited. Okay, that's it basically. So I'll now move on and plug this into the Naza assistant. Okay, I've removed the receiver and the Naza from the quadcopter so it's easier to film. You can see that all the cables go across. The only channel not being used on the receiver is channel 5. I've copied this both from the manual and also from a video on YouTube with assisting in setting this up. So I'll go ahead and connect power to the Naza and start flashing, going through, and yes, the orange flash, which means it's now ready to be connected to the computer. So I've got another one alongside here that I use for setting it up. I'll plug that in. Okay, let me move the camera across to the screen on the other computer. Okay, I'm now connected to the computer into the Naza assistant. Go to motor mixer. You see it's set on quad rotor X shape and recommended default setting for motor idle speed. coming to test calibration. You'll see that all these are doing the right things and they'll reset, throttle, etc. If you come down the page, I set up the X1 and the X2 basically for the gimbal, which I intend to have at a later date. In the switching mode, you can see it's automatic, manual, followed by failsafe. I'll go on to the next page with the autopilot. The settings are all there. Changed nothing basically. I say the gimbal is turned off, and the voltage, calibrate the voltage. It all seems fine. So the next stage is to plug it all into the motors, and you'll see that the motors just don't on. Thank you. Okay, last of all, we have the transmitter turned on. We have it in the attitude mode. You can see that switches up, down, all switches back, and we add power. Flash. Looking good. And now we do the double start. Nothing, 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 nothing. We try it in manual mode. Nothing, 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 nothing. And that's the problem. The motors don't arm. Any help will be gratefully received. I've been doing this for hours and hours and hours.